where people can die, where people can deteriorate. It's quite a heavy thing that you have to know beforehand when you go to clinical work or becoming a doctor.
Are you a MO houseman specialist?
Currently medical officer.
Which department?
Anesthesia department.
Are you post-call, on-call, or normal day?
A normal AM shift.
What's the one thing you wish you knew before becoming a doctor?
I wish that I knew how heavy the workload and the clinical decision making is, because when you are working, it's someone's life in your hand. Any decision and anything that you do can affect someone's life. So when I was a kid, when I was younger, that's not something that we keep in mind and things like that. So after a few years of clinical experience and things where people can die, where people can deteriorate, it's quite a heavy thing that you have to know beforehand when you go to clinical work or becoming a doctor.
So if you knew that beforehand, will you still have become a doctor?
It doesn't change my decision, I think, because in this life, I think you have to do something impactful to someone or people around you. If you do something just for yourself, it's quite selfish and it won't improve the society as a whole.
How long have you become a doctor?
9-8 years.
Was there a situation where you thought you were going to give up?
Give up as a doctor, maybe not. I did change few departments because I thought the work and clinical burden was quite too heavy for me. But after going through some change of departments and more experience, I felt quite okay with the current workload and everything.
What's the hardest thing about being a doctor that other doctors will know but nobody else understands?
I think juggling between work and life is quite difficult. It requires a lot of sacrifices because sometimes you cannot go back on time, where you have your family at home who also require you for your support and time. And you also have to give your full attention to your patients in hospital also, because it's someone's life. Not many people realize that we are sacrificing quite a lot of our time just for the public, everyone in the hospital.
If there's one thing you can disrupt about medicine, what would that be?
I think as technology growing, AI is quite a significant factor where it can help with the administrative work and improving our knowledge recap. So young doctors should be encouraged and trained to use this technology. Maybe a lot of new devices for intubation and all those things are also developing now. So I think it's a good development.
Are you using AI in your work now?
Sometimes when I try to do a quick recap when I go into tomorrow patient's list or before going to see patients, things like that. So it's a good recap, but you also have to confirm all those summary and things like that with your superior and proper textbooks.
What's your one advice for doctors right now?
For all the doctors and my friends and colleagues, I think keep pushing hard. People say KKM is a sinking environment, but we try our best. Some people are not able to go further. It's understandable because different people have different commitment and challenges. But people who are able to go through these challenges and this work, try your best. Some people are really needing our help in the service.